Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to transfer contacts from your old Android phone to your new Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, on your Android phone, just open the settings app, then tap on Google. From here, just tap on all services. Now under backup and restore, you will find the option of Google Contact Sync. Just tap on it, then tap on Sync Status. From here, just make sure you enable Google Contact Sync. Now, after you enable this option, then go back, and from here, just tap on Also Sync Device and SIM Contacts, and make sure you enable this toggle. Now, just select the Google contact which you will sign into your new Samsung phone. Now, once you enable both of these options, you will sync all the contacts on your smartphone to your Google account. Now, after that, on your new Android phone, first of all, just log into with the same Google account as your old Android phone. After you log into with the same Google account, then open Settings and tap on Google. From here, just select all services, then tap on Google Contact Sync. From here, just make sure you enable Google Contact Sync. Now, after you enable this option, you will sync the contacts of your old Android phone to your new Samsung account. And this is how you can transfer contacts from your old Android phone to your new Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.